Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then, to confirm your choice, click on close in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my shortcut is gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same tile again. If you wish to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and click on location section at the bottom. Then click on this switcher next to location access to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!